Hi, and welcome to our discussion on area forecasts. We're going to start out by giving you kind of an overview of the area forecast, just generally talking about what it provides. So an area forecast gives you an overview of weather over a region, over several states, or even outside of the 48 contiguous United States, over a bigger, broader area that could affect aviation operations across, of course, the U.S. and also coastal waters. Area forecasts are also made for Alaska and also Hawaii. The forecast is good for weather conditions up to 45,000 feet. And if an airport doesn't have a terminal forecast and you need to fly their IFR, then you have to use the area forecast to determine the weather conditions at your destination. Area forecasts come out from the Aviation Weather Center located in Kansas City, Missouri, and they're made for, of course, the contiguous United States. The Aviation Weather Center also does the area forecast for the coastal waters of the United States, as well as the Gulf of Mexico, and also the Caribbean and also the North Atlantic. If you happen to be flying in Alaska, then the Alaskan Aviation Weather Unit in Anchorage provides the area forecast for Alaska and the coastal waters. And if you happen to be flying in Hawaii, then the National Weather Service Weather Forecast Office in Honolulu provides the area forecast for Hawaii and its coastal waters. In the contiguous United States, the 48 United States, and also out in Hawaii, the area forecast only provides VFR and MVFR clouds and weather. It does not provide IFR weather. So in order to find IFR weather, you need to look at other products, such as AirMets, SIGMETs, meteorological impact statements, or center weather advisories. However, if you're flying in the coastal waters, the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean, the North Atlantic, or Alaska, then the area forecast does have IFR weather, in addition to including icing, freezing level, and also turbulence forecasts. The area forecast always uses heights that are with respect to sea level, mean sea level. Unless you see the abbreviations CIG or AGL, those two denote clouds above the ground. And then, of course, above 18,000 feet, everything is abbreviated to flight levels. The area forecast tends to use standard ICAO terminology, and in other words, uses METAR contractions and also abbreviated plain language. You'll also see common geographical areas. You might see things like northeast, southeast, but then also they can use geographical locations, and they do that quite frequently in the contiguous 48 United States. In the contiguous U.S., the area forecast is made for 6 different regions: Boston, Miami, Chicago, Dallas, Salt Lake, and San Francisco. And the area forecast comes out 3 times a day. These are scheduled at regularly issued times. And it's a forecast for 18 hours. The first 12 hours gives you a very specific clouds and weather forecast. And then the 6 hours after that is an outlook. Also, the synopsis is an 18-hour forecast, so it provides you weather patterns, wind flow, fronts, things like that for 18 hours. That's the overview for the area forecast.